Sir, in my home, I am only speak English.
Oh.
But my husband is very poor in English, dirty fellow. So my kid is very poor.
This is the last warning.
Yes.
There will not be any more warning for you,
Yes, sir.
you and your child.
Yes, sir.
If she repeats once more like this, she will be given TC and terminated from this school.
Wow.
Ipititan kita hezipani akhia maging ham ke punai tolan gizamtan bayang utho na bayang utho na ipititan kita hezipani akhia maging ham ke punai tolan gizamtan bayang utho kya ho gya bayang utho.
1, 2, 3, si te doy un beso ya estás a mis pies. Dime 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. La 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 la.
مسكين يا قلبي على ما تعاني طلعت الحرمان فيك الكفاية
Group ka left di tay. Hinsay kiti.